Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar. In the following recording I'm going to be talking or describing the city of Barranquilla. In this case, this is the shield. And this city has a population of 1,232,766 inhabitants. This city was founded between 1627 and 1637. It means that this city has around 392 years old. The city of Barranquilla is the capital of the Atlantic Department. This city is located in the occidental edge of the Magdalena River, just 7.5 kilometers where it gets joined with the Caribbean Sea. The economy of this city is based on the trade and industry and a few in the tourists. In the city you can find places like this that is called Window to the World. In this part you can go and have a funny time with the family. You can take pictures. This is a monument that is built totally in glass. In this other part we can find the riverboard wall, where you can take a walk, eat something, eat some ice cream, and in the day you can watch crossing the ships that comes from the Caribbean Sea to the port of Barranquilla. In the city you can find two different kinds of malls, in the north and in the south and in the center too. And with this image of the stadium, I want to invite you to come to this great city, where you can get funny times with the family and enjoy inclusive the beaches that are around the city. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.